Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. Here's Barry Allen with a new sound system. We'll see if it works this time. Okay my friend, on this problem is module 1 lesson 12. This is Eureka Math, and our goal is to reason which of these answers is the answer without actually solving the problem. So let's write the word reason here. So basically, reasoning is you have to use rounding. That's what I do. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So if I round this, it can be round to a 3 or a 2. But what I'm going to do to make it easier, just choose the whole number of each product and then find the answer. So the answer of this problem is about 8 when you multiply them. So now if you look at the possible answers, you know that 1/10 is too small. Let me write that with a different color. This is too small to be the answer of 2 5/10 times 4. And this one is also too small. So these two are too small to be the answer for this multiplication problem. This can potentially be the answer because 10 is close to 8. And 100, I believe, is too large to be the answer for the multiplication of 2 5/10 times 4. So now, look, I can solve the problem without doing anything else. So I would explain this because that's the answer. Explain. So now you figure it out which one is the answer. But now we're going to explain how. So here's what you say. This is what Common Core Math is asking the students to do. So you say 1/10 and 1 are too small to be the product. Let me move my camera, my friends. To be the product of 2 5/10 times 4, period. And then you do the 100. Then you say, let me use a different color so you can see the difference. You say 100 is too large to be the product of 2 5/10 times 4, period. So now that you have reasoned the problem and then explain why you reasoned the problem that way, now we're going to solve it. And let's do that with a place value chart, my friends. Check this out. So you create your place value chart and you label each of the places. I believe we might need one more place value, so let's write the tens. Okay, so now these are the tenths. These are the numbers less than 1. Those are the hundreds, and these are the thousands. So now the number is, we said that is 2. Let me move my board a little bit. 2 5/10 times 4. So this is saying that, let me move it again. So this is saying that you have the ones, you have that 4 groups 4 times. So here are the ones. 1, 2, that's one group. 1, 2, that's 2 groups. 1, 2, that is 3 groups, and 1, 2, that's 4 groups. Why did I do that? Because this is saying that 2 times 4, or 2 groups, 4 groups of 2 ones. Now we're going to look at the tenths. The tenths are right here, and they have 4 groups, but this time there are 5 tenths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That will be one group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That will be 2 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That will be 3 groups. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This will be 4 groups, my friends. So now, here is the challenge when you have this and use the place value chart. So, in this place value, you can have up to 9 discs to represent tenths. Once you have tenths, those tenths become ones. Think about dimes. If you have 10 dimes equals $1. So we're going to do that. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these 10 become one more dollar over here. And the next one is the same way. So we're gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we're gonna make 10 dimes into $1 or 10 tenths into $1. So now the answer is 10 ones. But remember, my friends, that if you have 10 ones in this area, you can have up to 9 but not 10. So you change that into a 1/10. That's why the answer is, when you multiply it, that is 10. Okay, my friends, I hope the video helps you to reason the problems and understand what math is asking you. Watch this video more than once and be good at math. It's not easy. Don't say it's too hard. I know you can understand these problems. Please review and watch the video again and learn it. Signing out, Barry Allen from Gravity 2 Location.